Hi, my name is Jason Webster. I'm lead commercial agronomist for Precision Planting, and we're super excited about having Strip-Till Conference, kind of the pre-convention meeting here at the Precision Planting PTI Farm on August 2nd. So we got a lot of things going on this farm. This PTI Farm is what we call it, the Precision Technology Institute. It's 400 acres of on-farm research. We're testing products and technologies from precision planting, but we also test technologies and other equipment from all other companies that are available in the marketplace. And what we try to do on this farm is challenge the status quo. We're taking all the things that farmers are used to using, what they feel comfortable with, and we compare it to something else. We're looking for the check mark or the confirmation box saying that we're doing some of the best things on the farm. What is that? That the best things giving us high yield or the highest profitability. So unless we can compare it to something else to figure out how we compare to the ways we've been doing things, we'll never know whether there's better ways of doing things. So that's what this farm is all about. We do that. We know it's a struggle for farmers to test it on their own farm because it takes time and money, and those are two things that farmers just don't have very much of. So that's what we do on this farm, and we're excited to bring everybody out, show some of the strip-till research we're doing. We've got all kinds of different tillage studies here. We compare conventional tillage, vertical tillage, strip-till obviously, and no-till. And we've been doing this for multiple years. We do it year in and year out, and we look at the long-term effects of these tillage programs. Strip-till we really like using here at this farm because it gives us the ability to ban fertilizer, and we'll talk this summer at the conference what our results have been of using fertilizer smarter, banning it in the strip-till ban versus a broadcast application where we're fertilizing every square inch of the soil. So with today's prices of inputs, especially dry fertilizer, we've got to change the ways we're applying it. We've got to be smarter, and one of the ways we're doing that is with strip-till and banning that fertilizer, and we've seen some really nice results. So we're going to talk a lot about that. So we're excited about everybody coming out. We've invited some of the major equipment manufacturers to come out to bring their equipment here to the farm. So if you're a grower that's thinking about strip-till, you can come to this PTI farm and kick the tires on some of the strip-till equipment that's available in the marketplace, and you'll be able to talk to the vendors, ask them questions. So we look at this as a real resource for growers. So we hope everybody comes out on August 2nd. We'll split everybody up into 3 groups. One will go on an agronomy tour with me. We'll just kind of take a look at some of the work we're doing here on the farm with some of the strip-till, as well as the other things that we're doing. This year we're in major drought mode, so we'll talk about the water recycling that we've been doing here at the farm as part of a sustainability program. We'll have the sandbox is what we call it, where the equipment's at. You can kick the tires. And then we're going to have a special session inside the building where we're going to talk about a new way of nutrient management with strip-till and maybe how we're pulling some soil samples out in the field. So it's going to be a jam-packed afternoon and evening session here at the farm. You won't want to miss it. So we invite thousands of growers from around the world. So we're about 85 miles south of Chicago, right along Interstate 55. We've got great access, great visibility, and at this farm we just invite growers to come out and have a conversation. And here's some of the research that we're doing, and then it's a way for farmers to have a conversation with other growers, other peers. So here's what we're doing. What do you guys think? And every day is a different conversation. And starting in July, so we got the month of July, the month of August, and even the month of September. Every day here at this farm, we invite farmers out, industry groups, and we just talk about ways to be better. Well, we're looking forward to seeing everybody. Hopefully we can get some rains here. Like I said, we are in kind of major drought mode here. We are irrigating as fast as we can, but we're going to learn from some of the things we have in the farm. We can't wait for guys to come out and see some of those.